Application of seeds, taking into account the similarity in shape and properties of plants, seeds. Organs and parts of our body are of different shape, like oblong, for example, extremities, intestine, nose, lips, etc. Spherical, like eyes, head, breast. They are bean shaped, like kidneys, stomach. Pear shaped, like uterus, gallbladder. Racemose, like pancreas, and others. Seeds of similar shape can be used for the regulation of morbid processes in internal organs. For example, to help with eye diseases, round shaped seeds like peas, black pepper. For the disease of the kidney, seeds of kidney beans. For the cardiac diseases, seeds of guelder, buckwheat, or pumpkin. Disease of the pancreas can be eased with the grape seeds, and in the disease of the brain, massage of the areas corresponding to it should be given with the help of walnut, whose shape resembles the hemispheres of the brain. Along with the seeds of the similar shape, plants of similar properties can also be used. For example, the stalks of bamboo, pinks, cereals, and some other plants have articulation resembling joints. This means that for getting rid of joints problems, and stalks of these plants can be used as massagers, or like seeds can be applied, or the like seeds can be applied to the areas corresponding to the affected joints. There are plants like club mosses, the stalks of which are similar to the spine, while the structure of the twigs of ferns resembles the thoracic spine with ribs diverging from it. Stalks, leaves, and seeds of such plants can be used for improving the affected spine and chest. If a plant secretes white milk, its seed can be applied to increase the quality of milk in nursing mothers. And if yellow, good remedial effect can be expected while dealing with the liver and gallbladder problems. Some seeds contain a lot of thick juice. They can be used for decreasing inflammatory processes followed by myxophosis, rhinitis, gastritis, bronchitis. For example, seeds of flax. Seeds of aqueous plants can be applied when there is a pathological accumulation of body fluids and edema. The berries of mountain ash, guelder, hawthorn grow in clusters resembling the shape of a thrombus. Seeds of such plants can be applied for a disease associated with increase of blood coagulation and for prophylaxis of thrombosis. In case of angina pectoris, it can be applied to the areas corresponding to the heart, and in ischemic stroke to the areas corresponding to the brain, etc. Buckthorn, cowberries, craneberries are the plants, the berries of which are cold resistant and practically do not change their properties on freezing. Hence their seeds, berries can be used to relieve a cold.